I am. There's a car behind them though.
Yeah, fine. Just put over. Let them all go by. Let the other car go by.
Nah, we good.
Alright. After the curve, it'll be straight. From the top?
You told me. Oh my God! It's ow! That shit is hitting a buck fast as fuck. I've never seen it move so fast, 100. As fast as fuck, you hear me? It's my first turbo car, so I'm gonna be excited, bro. This thing is peeling, bro. Give it one more degree. No, I was kidding. One more makes a difference? Oh my goodness. One can blow the motor too. You're right, fuck that. Let me know when you wanted to hit it. On its power band.
Alright.
Oh shit. Oh. He don't give a fuck. He doesn't even give a fuck.
It's on the same exact spot, dude.
It's cause like you're instantly hitting it, so it instantly wants fuel.
Yeah.
It throws fuel instantly in there.
Which is fine.
It happens. It always, even with all motor, it happens a lot. And it's hard to get that shit down. I noticed when your solo tunes like anything, he'll gun it like that in the dyno. He'll instantly gun it. That cop is cool. He didn't even do shit.
These kids in their Honda.
These kids in their house. One more time.
Sure. You have to take a right here for your left.
Right here?
Yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some out of the same area over here on this one.
Let me know. Oh, there's a cop there. Forget it. It sounds so good. I can never get over that. Yo, T with the Acura, but I'm taking this back. Imagine.
I'll stay with it. It's good on gas.
Facts. Better than this. Ooh, it's blowing through fuel now.
Yeah? Because I have a rich.
The injectors are barely working too, right?
You want to go through for me, Eddie?
Want to? I'm with it. Do not tell me because I'm with it.
I'd have to save this map first. Let me save it.
That's 93 pump. You sure you put 93 in this? Okay.
I always put 93.
Oh, that one time you told me you're like, oh, 87.
Yeah, but I have a tune for it because it pings. It doesn't like the timing of 187. That's why I just.
You can hear it. Yeah.
F20B Turbo, 5.5 PSI, 93.
And it's not gonna be a full E because we have fuel in the tank.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do another pull, bro. We just can't gun it so aggressively, I guess. It's always gonna do that bullshit. It got better. That thing sounds amazing. It got better.
Yeah.
That was just a little bit of boost lag after that. It relies on it now to make power. Fighting the steering wheel is annoying.
Brake boosted.
Huh?
Let's see if it holds it.
Brake boosted?
Yeah.
Let's try it.
And like saying go to the same RPM, but like
Not too much?
The brakes are a little more now already.
Okay.
But
here?
Yeah. Oh no, not here. After the curve.
Yeah. Yeah, cause she's burning oil like crazy. Yeah, what's good with the speedometer?
It's when I step on it.
When you what?
There's the wire, I think.
Oh, you stepping on the wire.
Yeah. We wired that, right? We just put tape over it.
Yeah, we did.
We gotta solder or just make it a better connection.
Okay. I'm like, step on what? What the hell are you talking about?
Cable.
You're gonna cap the shit out of me though.
Put it in neutral so it doesn't keep smoking.
My bad. I'm not used to that.
All I do is smell it.
You can smell the OD.
I used to do that even when it wasn't turbo though. The smoke.
Oh no way.
On diesel, yeah.
Why?
It wasn't that much, but it would do it.
Think there's something wrong with the motor?
Maybe.
Damn. All right, guys, that's it.
It's good though. It's
we
good.
made a run.
Where's the AC at?
Oh shit, gonna make it stall.
No, it's fine. It was on. I just want to see the air fuels. Put the ACs on.
So the quarter's all done up. We ran into no issues at all. She's spooling top end. This is kind of like a bigger, like, this turbo is technically too big for this car. You can tell, like, it only spools hard like at 5.5, 6. That's when it really goes in. So we might have to get something smaller. And plus the turbo is leaking a little bit of oil. You just smell it. You can't see it, but you can smell it, and you can kind of see it from the bottom dripping, but it's whatever. But she did good. We upped it. We made a little more boost. 5 psi wasn't enough, so we went ahead and put a T here that we learned from Boosted Boys, and it's making 9 psi now. So we tuned it first at 5. We put the T, makes 9. We adjusted fuels a little bit. We left the timing. I think we messed with timing a little bit. Yeah, Jeremy, I don't know, he does some really good street tunes for this Honda. We threw on the RX-7 wheels. They're gripping pretty good on these. The wheels that I had, they're kind of cooked, so we're gonna have to settle for the RX-7. They look really good on the car though. They look beautiful. These are 205s. So I have 235s, and these hook. These chirp a second, and that's it. It'll hook. It'll hook your books. But yeah, guys, the Accord is finally turboed. Now we're not gonna give it aggressive timing yet. We're gonna wait to put E85. Once you throw some E on there, we'll go more aggressive on the timing. Right now we're just conservative, you know, safe, and you can have fun with it now. It's fine, it can handle it. I don't know if because the Accord is heavy that it's able to like grip so well. Because on my Civics, I was spinning a lot, but these, I'm not. I mean, obviously it's heavy and I'm spooling top end, so maybe that's why I'm not spinning. But this thing launches fine off the line. It doesn't spin that much, and to be honest, after first, second is solid. It'll grip through all the gears. It could be I'm not making that much power, or obviously that, I don't know, that combination of being heavy and stuff has to do with it. But obviously we haven't dynoed it, so I don't know where I'm at. I would say roughly like 300 wheel on 9 psi, or maybe 340. I don't know. I have no idea. But just because the timing is not aggressive, I would say like 300 to 320 around that area. But there you go. She's a little dirty, but she's finally done. I've came a long way with this car from buying it in Massachusetts. Her being rusty, having a hole at the top. I painted it through a hole. I had to like buy a whole bunch of stuff for the suspension, coilovers, ball joints, bushings. The whole suspension was like really bad. It would like shake on the highway for no reason when I first bought it. It was really bad. I had to do everything in this car. Put a whole bunch of new parts for it to run solid, run good, and feel like a normal car. But yeah, paint. The single cam was giving me problems, so I went and swapped the F20B. Then the F20B, I had to use the old long ass gears from the Accord. I didn't like that, so I went and got the H22 trans. Then I got a Honda because I had to swap, so I had the Honda S3. I actually had my Honda with the single cam. My bad. So yeah, I had the S300 with the jumper harness and the single cam. The single cam started overheating, and it was just, like I said, no good. I didn't like the motor that much. Obviously I bought wheels, you know, sliding rotors with ceramic pads. We got the innovative motor mounts when we did the swap. I don't know if you can see that there. Okay, yep, that's there. What else? And there's whatever. The headlights look like shit now. They used to look so good when I first bought them. We're gonna see if we can sand it down and make it look better. Yeah, I had headers on the headlight. Anyways, the camera broke up, and then Jeremy's mowing the lawn over here. But yeah, I drove it down from Massachusetts. I drove the car down to from Massachusetts, and obviously it came a long way. It's in fucking Florida now, from Massachusetts. I mean, I moved down here too, but yeah, there's still more things to go. We still need BC coilovers. The eBay coilover sucks on this car. What else do we need? We need a new turbo because this is used and smaller. Some really sticky, soft rubber Archer plates. I'm gonna see if Jeremy will sell me these RX-7 wheels. A stronger clutch, and I think that's it. It's got good fuel. It's got a fuel pump made to handle E. Oh, a fuel return. But we'll see how much the stock fuel system will do. We might have to add a fuel system and a fuel rod and a fuel return, and that's it. But yeah, there she is. Stay tuned.